Hello, this is how much I spend on self-care maintenance in a month. In today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys how I spend people's salary in a day. Oh, Jehovah. I mean, I don't always do this, right? But today I want to do like a proper self-care, and you guys are going to see how much it costs to look good in this Lagos. It's not easy. I'm doing something entirely different. I have a hair appointment. Prior to today, I already booked like a hair appointment, nails, lashes, and waxing. So come with me on all this journey. I'm about to sit down for like 7 hours to braid my hair. Oh, Jehovah. And I'm doing something absolutely different. I'm changing my hair color because that's what I want, and I enjoy when I want something done and it has to be done well, like it comes out exactly how I want it, like perfect. I don't mind paying so much money because over time I've had terrible experience. I've had bad hair experience. I've had what I got versus what I ordered versus what I got, and it frustrates me, right? It frustrates me to the point that if I make my hair today and it is not something I like, I can remove it today and my money is wasted. So now I think I'm in a better place and I'm in a zone where I know that if this is what I want, no matter how much it costs, that is reasonable, we are not going to do what we cannot afford. No matter what it costs, as long as it gets me what I want to be happy knowing that this is what I want and I was able to achieve it. So I'm gonna get my nails done. For my hair, this is the inspiration. This is the color I want to dye my hair. And then I'm going to also be doing the very popular short bob boho braids. Is it boho? Is it boho? I don't think it's called boho. But anyway, whatever this is called is what I'm about to go and do. So you guys should come with me. I'm going to be taking this off in the salon. Since I'm dyeing it, I didn't bother trying to lose the hair and wash it, because when your hair is like overly clean and you have to apply dye, it's going to pain you. Like I hope your pain tolerance is high, because the amount of pain you're going to endure because your scalp is clean in that moment and there's no dirt to really like withhold it or make it like bearable for you is going to be a lot. So yeah, the dye on my hair currently, as you guys can see, like you guys saw that a part of my hair is brown and the other part is black. This is like from all the way from like sometime last year. Is more than a year ago I dyed my hair and I liked it. It was really nice. The person that did it for me did it well, although that's not the person that is doing this one for me again. Shout out to my girl Victoria. I will not stop shouting out to her for buying me this beautiful bob wig, because you know what happens when you have something on your wish list that you want to do for yourself and your friend is just having thoughtful people at the end of the day. So I mentioned to her like all the way in January that I liked this hair and I wanted to get it for myself. And then on my birthday, this girl gifts me this hair that I literally saved and said I wanted to buy for myself. Like, it's just so sweet and it's just amazing. And it's one of the best hairs I've had in a while. I have a lot of perfumes and I feel like I'll be wrong to not even have as much perfumes as I do, because I literally own a perfume business. So imagine if I don't have this much perfumes, it's going to be like what's going on. And it's really funny because I'm not a perfume person, but my business has made me fall in love with perfumes in more ways than I can even comprehend, right? So now I'm obsessed with smelling good and expensive, right? You'll be like, why is she wearing a wig if she's going to do her hair? I have to look good. You don't know if I'm going to see my future husband on my way to the salon. So when I get to the salon, I'll remove the wig and they will start their hair process.
These are the supplements I took before I left to do my hair. I do it to like suppress hunger, and also because like I'm trying to keep fit right now, and also like an allergy drug. You guys see my nails? It looks so cute, so neat. My mom would say, why are you fixing nails? God already blessed you with beautiful nails. So this was me on my way to the salon. Yeah, my Uber came, I ordered a ride because the salon is like 30 minutes away from me. And while I was going, I made sure to pack a quick snack because like I know I'm literally going to be spending the whole day outside. So that's gum in there, shortbread, meat pie and drinks. I quickly arrived the salon somewhere in Lekki. This is the location. It's quite cute and I like that they have like a cafe downstairs. I got in, the place was quite will I say empty, like they didn't have like a lot of people in the salon yet, thankfully. So they started with losing, taking off my braids, of course, because yeah. And while all of this was going down, I had to double down on work. I had like meetings I attended and stuff to do. So when they were done losing my hair, it was time to wash it. But before washing, they applied the dye on my hair already because there's no point washing the hair and now coming to do that's gonna be a lot of pain. So they had to apply a blonde dye on my hair first before applying the actual color I wanted, just so the color will come out properly and giving me like the best result. Because the first time I dyed my hair, they didn't do the whole blonding thingy and the color did not give what it was supposed to give. So this is it. This is what it looks like before washing. Then we started washing the hair, and after washing, it came out looking perfect. There's just something about the way they just pour water on your hair. It was very soothing. It was so soothing. I promise you guys, if you do this on my hair for a long while, I'll just slip off. They did like a lot of chemical application. And funny thing, right? This dye was not painful. Like, I didn't even feel the period of me having to wait for it to, dye before washing was not painful at all compared to like my first few experience with hair dye. It's always painful, like I have to dance, but this was absolutely seamless. Like I did not feel any form of pain at all. Like if you told me to carry the hair for hours like that, I will carry it for hours without even knowing that, oh, I have like hair dye on. And I don't know if it's the hair product or what made it that way, but anyway, you guys would see the dye I used. This is the blonde hair. Then it was time to mix. I mixed these two color to give me like the actual thingy that I wanted, and this is when she was applying it on my hair. So while that was going on, I decided to drink a bit. I didn't eat till like much later, but then she was done. Then we had to wash all over again after that other application. And after we're done washing and all of that, they blow dried my hair, they stretched the hair, and then it was time to start braiding. But first, tell me, what you guys think about this hair color? I've forgotten what they call it. I think it's ginger. Is this ginger? I'm not sure. But yeah, then I ate and we started braiding. While we're braiding my hair, I had to double down and also do my nails. Funny enough, I didn't plan to do my nails in this salon, but when I considered like the time I was going to spend if doing my hair, there was no way I was going to be done making my hair and then going to another salon. In fact, I had to leave them while they were braiding my hair. I was not done with my hair, and then I left for my lash appointment. Cause what? More.
You guys, I don't even have the energy again to video myself and talk or even do anything. I really do not have strength. Like I feel so off. Like I don't know, something just switched. You know that moment where you feel like something is wrong, but you can't pinpoint what it is. That's how I'm feeling right now. It's funny because this look is giving all those hairstyle guys used to do then, those days, afro. And it looks nice, but the hair is not done. Let's wait for the final result. The guys that do my lashes, they were giving me strict vibe. I was like, can I reschedule and come by? This was like 3 hours before my
appointment time, right? Because my appointment is for 5 p.m. And then they were like, there's no other time today. And if I don't do this thing today, I will not do it this week again because I have so much I have to do. Tomorrow I'm shooting, I'm traveling. Oh, it's a lot. So I had to tell them to stop my nails. As you can see, this is just after applying just like powder, right? They just applied powder, they've not done anything, and then my hair is not yet done. But these guys are actually fast because they are literally almost done, right? So yeah, I'm here to do my lashes. It's a good thing that she doesn't waste time with her lashes. So like just 1 hour and I'm out of here. Can you guys see my lashes? Like she does amazing job, right? And the fact that she finished these lashes in 40 minutes. I literally did like a timestamp so you guys will see that. She's so fast. This is classic, by the way. Classic.
I go back to the salon and we continue braiding my hair. To be honest, at this point I was not happy because I had to cut my hair a bit just so the braid would fit to a certain length, because I could not achieve the very short length I wanted because my hair was way longer than it was supposed to be. So after cutting it, the coils were not really coiling. It wasn't really giving me what I thought I wanted. But then I was like, okay, let them try packing it up. I'd even sent like the picture and videos to my friend. I was like, does this look like what I said I wanted? But it was just me really overthinking it because my braid is way more. It's so tiny. That was why the coils didn't really coil. But it still looked really good, to be honest, and it still came out really nice. They did a very clean and good job, and I felt bad that I was carrying my face. Like, she was trying to make videos and I wasn't really happy, coupled with the fact that I was there till like 10 p.m. ish. I was already tired. But yeah, I've rocked this hair in the most amazing ways, styled it in the most amazing ways. But then I had to go home and I didn't have enough time to show you guys my nails, but
You guys, I'm so sorry. I know I didn't wrap up yesterday. I was so tired and I was angry because the hair was not making sense in my eyes. But now it makes sense. I just finished shooting on one of my projects as a creative as a creative writer and director. So I decided to take this opportunity to wrap up the video. That's Easy Chief. She's so pretty. So pretty. So these are the nails I did, and my nails, because I know I didn't give you guys like an after of the nails. So this is the nails I did. It's so pretty. It's literally like how I wanted. And look at my lashes, guys. My lashes is lashing. My lashes is lashing. I love it, right? And I also did my toenails. I got my toenails done. Yeah. If I let this hair loose, it's not giving. But the way she packed it is really nice. It's really nice. I could not make it to my wax appointment, but if I finish what I have to do tomorrow on time, I think I have enough time to round up what it is I have to do tomorrow. So if I do that on time, I'm going to do my wax appointment and insert the video here, and then just give you guys like a figure for how much that costs. And that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's the way they're looking at me on set as I'm saying what I'm saying. Don't forget to subscribe. Do you think it's outrageous to spend over 120 something K? I don't know. Is that people? But do you think it's outrageous to spend that much money on self-care in a month? Do you think it's outrageous? Do you think it's affordable? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. However, disclaimer, I don't spend that much on my hair every month, right? Because there are some months that I just go a week, and then there are some other months that I just do like basic braids, and basic braids is going to cost nothing more or less than 20k. But this hair, this 75k hair, I'm gonna carry it for 2 months, if not 3 months. Because what? You guys should send me money because I'm not broke in Jesus' name. But yes, my money has gone down, so send me money, send me funds. Bye. I look so fine. I don't want to leave this video, but bye.